Hey there, Creative Sarah here, and I have an ugly pumpkin makeover. You guys, this is not that appealing to me, and so I grabbed this wallpaper and the pumpkin from Dollar Tree. I took off the little embellishments that was on the pumpkin, and I just sanded down the front of it. Then I took some white chalk paint, and I just kind of painted the edges so that the edges would be white instead of orange. And then I went ahead and measured the front of that pumpkin with the wallpaper, that wood grain wallpaper. I kind of traced it on the back and cut it out. You guys, it's self-sticking, so this is so easy. I plopped it on and went ahead and just sanded the edges to make it fit perfectly. And all I have to do now is embellish. I just took a little bit of twine, wrapped it around that stem. It's so cute. You guys, if you love this video and you'd like to see more, go ahead and comment the word VIP. I'll send you a message with a link where you can join my free DIY and crafting group. You'll get more ideas, inspiration, and insider information. Now I just took a few florals that I had found and some tiny strips of ribbon, and I made a messy bow. Once I got this all together, you guys, it's so adorable and will fit your fall decor from now until Thanksgiving. Thank you so much for watching, and make sure you like and follow for more decor.